Agendrete omurai bwikema kya ODM na bwigo bamuri gwazimio la umoja wa Kenya umuske Raila Odinga ni igona indi sentunde yende aumerana na bali bachorwa kurwa sabo mobwo iligo kwanira mirubiri yabo na bwigo ebirinka biriya babwate uchikwene kya buna ni igo baguchia konyora obuchori buri bwaba bokurusugwa kurwa asebale nigo ayakwana ayuli tukula lero ekwenekelia abakenya buna igo barachi ko babakubwatia igo ika omwelio ili kwenekia buna banyorire obuchori bwaba bokurusugwa asebale.
Basically it was a familiarization meeting, and we also talked about a way forward. We've given them a brief as where we are with regard to presidential elections, and they have approved the steps that we have decided to take as a Azimio coalition.
Chinga kicho omokonyi bo umuske Raila Odinga so mu Azimio la umoja wa Kenya musubati Karua nigo nere akirembia muno saba Kenya bonsi bali baba bako bachora gusubako bakira chikura chinga kicho bochori bwaita nigo batebirumna nigo bagendrete kurwanirira obusubole bwa Kenya kolengana buna baba ete chikura chiabo.
Thank you. Very little to add, to say that our figures show that we command the National Assembly. Just like I said the last time, the Senate, our competitors are up by 1, but the National Assembly, we command. We, therefore, after meeting, we must look and plan how we are going to execute our mandate. And that is normal. And our members are taking that up. On the matter of the election, ours is victory deferred, but it's coming home. And that's the message to everyone. As we explore avenues, all legal and constitutional avenues, let everybody know victory is coming home. Thank you for supporting us, and we will not let you down.
Magiga yobo